Hey.
Oh, you fell, dude. Why'd you fall? Why'd you fall?
On December 14th, 2023, at approximately 4:27 p.m., Waukegan police officers were dispatched to a local area home for a final progress.
Vamos. Hey.
Oh, you fell, dude. Why'd you fall? Why'd you fall? Get up.
I'm gonna show you, motherfucker. Oh my God.
Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
What up? Yeah. Okay, I got you. Alright.
You still crying?
I'll tell you, stupid motherfucker. What are you doing? We can have a seat in there.
I'm gonna sue you for you. I'm gonna sue you.
I put that manila envelope in the back of your car. Okay, appreciate you.